Alright, so here's what I'm doing. I have a 16 by 20 regular canvas I got at Michael's on sale, of course. Then I have this, which is made by the Crafters Workshop. You can purchase it at www.thecraftersworkshop.com. And I use just regular, whatever kind of tape this is called, you know, this stuff, to mask it off and to hold it in place. And then I take my texture paste, which is right here. I'm going to use a good amount. And then I have this, got this from Pampered Chef, because, you know, I used to sell that stuff. Amazing stuff. I love it. And you just do this. Press it pretty good. We're going to be doing a bunch of different layers of different things. And I got this idea from my sister. When you see what else I'm going to put on there, I got that idea from my sister Sandy. Trying to get her to start a channel on YouTube. I think that would be really cool. We could do all kinds of cool collaborations. Awesome. See, now there's something. Just gotta be a little careful. It's not that serious because it doesn't have to be perfect. I don't think it does. I'm gonna go this way. So I'm gonna make sure it's getting in all of the pieces that I want, the letters, the words. And this one is called, I think it's, the art is just another way of expressing our innermost thoughts. And it goes on to say a whole bunch of really cool stuff. Now I'm just going a little bit softer on it, so there's not going to be too much of a line. There it goes. So simple. Now, I just go like this. To take it off. Gosh, I bet you my hair was in the way. Whatever. No worries. And this is awkward when you're doing this on camera because you have to be all like a contortionist because of where my equipment is. There you go. So that's the first layer, and then I'm going to come back to add more to it, and I will just keep turning the camera on. I'll see you in a few minutes.